Hello everyone, good morning. So in this time I am in Bodh Gaya city, which is the land of the Gautam Buddha, where he got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree on the bank of Niranjana river, which is called as a Falgu river also. So in this time I came to visit the Sujata village, which is located one of the most popular village just opposite of the Mahabodhi temple after crossing the Falgu and Niranjana river. So I crossed the river from Bodh Gaya, and then I came in Sujata village, which is also a part of Bodh Gaya only 1.5 km away from the city of Mahabodhi temple. So this is the Sujata Astupa, which was a residential of the Sujata, who was a disciple of Gautam Buddha, who feed the rice and milk to Gautam Buddha during the penance, and then he broke his fasting from meditation. So let's explore together with me the all over the places of Sujata Astupa. I am going to explore. So once again, thank you so much, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and stay updated with me.
So even the Sujata Stupa, also called as a Sujata Kuti Stupa or Sujata Grah. Grih is a Buddhist stupa located in the village of Senani Grams or Bakraur or slightly east of Bodh Gaya, directly across the Falgu river from the town of Bodh Gaya, where the Gautam Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment under the banyan tree on the bank of Niranjana river. So even it is a walk of about 20 minutes from Bodh Gaya Mahabodhi temple to Sujata Stupa, that is a Sujata Kutir, that was the actual home of the Sujata who used to stay here, who was a milkmaid. So let's see, this is the stupa looking so unique, also still it is alive. So it was initially built in the 2nd century BC as confirmed by finds of dark grey polished wars and a punch marked coins in the monastery. So this stupa was dedicated to the milkmaid Sujata, who said to have fed Gautam Buddha milk and rice at the spot as he was sitting under a banyan tree, thereby ending his 7 years of fasting and asceticism and allowing him to attain illumination. So through the middle way. So the pillar of Asoka, originally located in front of the Sujata Stupa, which was brought to the Bodh Gaya in 1956. So even Devpala being interpreted as the 9th century Pala dynasty king, hence Sujata house or King Devpala. So the last phase of constructions of stupa dates to the Devpala in 9th century CE to commemorate the house where Sujata used to live. So this place was also visited by the Hen Sang in 7th century AD and told an inscript as the Godha Hasti Stupa, the perfumed elephant. So really it's a very unique place and a stupa where was the residence of the Sujata milkmaid who used to feed Gautam Buddha after the 7 years of penance, and Buddha broke his fast after 7 years. Who was so weak at that time. So this is the Sujata Kuti Stupa, and even I have to visit still the Sujata temple, which is located just only 500 meters away from this Sujata Stupa, where actual the place where Sujata fed under the Bodhi tree to Gautam Buddha milk and rice, that is only 500 meters from here. So this is the home of Sujata, which is called as a Sujata Grih and Kutir. and a stupa were built, and the Sujata temple is located just 500 meter away from here, where Sujata fed to Gautam Buddha under the banyan tree. So I am also going to visit the Sujata temple also. So before that, I already visit the Mahabodhi temple, which is one of the best UNESCO World Heritage Site of India, which was built by the Samrat Ashoka. Mahabodhi temple in 3rd century BC, where Gautam Buddha got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree on the bank of Niranjana river. So I am also feeling so great. So let's see, these are the some flowers, different types of colors. I have offered the roses and many types of roses planted at the Sujata Girih Stupa and Kutir. Lots of flowers, and also it's the decoration of the place is also very well, and also it's so good place for meditation also. And even I am also going to sit here for few hours. At least I will spend my time 1 hour here to do meditation at the place, because I love to do meditation in such kind of place, like which is so beautiful. So let's see, this is another flower which is also looking so beautiful. So this is the short brief about regarding the Sujata Kuti Stupa. So it's my time for meditation, and after that I am going to visit the Sujata temple. So stay updated with me. Thank you. Namo Buddhaya.